Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2022 Chevrolet Traverse LT all-wheel drive package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, really nice shape. Silver color, black interior. Looks brand new, really outstanding shape. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice shape. Okay, let's take a close look. Front bumper's in beautiful condition, really outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Upper lights look amazing. Lower lights are in beautiful shape. Very nice. Take a look at the grille, beautiful condition. The other headlamp, beautiful shape on this side. Lower lights in beautiful condition. Does have a couple little marks here on the bumper. Normal wear and tear for the mileage. Besides that, it's in really nice shape. Another little mark right there. Overall, very nice condition. Take a look at the front fender on the passenger side. Beautiful condition, clean throughout. Very nice shape. Take a look at the front passenger door. Beautiful condition, very nice shape. Rear door on the passenger side. Beautiful condition, really nice shape. It's really nice, beautiful shape. Quarter panel on the passenger side, beautiful condition, looks amazing. Take a look at the rear bumper, very nice condition. Rear hatch is in beautiful shape. Take a close look at the lights, really nice condition. Really nice shape there. Rear glass looks amazing. Super nice condition. Really great shape. Quarter panel on the driver's side, beautiful shape. Does have a couple little scratches here on the paint. We're going to try to touch those up for you before we deliver the vehicle. Quarter panel on the driver's side, beautiful shape. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Front door on the driver's side, beautiful condition, very nice shape. Really outstanding condition. Front fender, driver's side, beautiful shape. Looks super clean. Windshield's in beautiful condition, looks amazing. Don't see any chips or anything on it, looks super clean. Let's take a look at the roof. Roof's in nice shape. Really nice condition. Take a look at the windshield on this side. Don't see any chips or anything on this side. Looks super clean. Really nice shape. All right, that concludes our walk around. Stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at that amazing shape. Very nice condition throughout. Take a look at the controls for the rear hatch. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Beautiful condition on the handle. Let's take a look at the driver's seat. Really nice shape. Take a close look here. Really nice condition. Rugs are clean. Dashboard stereo looks amazing. Very nice condition all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at that amazing shape. Look at the handle. Controls for the power window, power locks, little pocket there for storage. Very nice. Armrest is in beautiful shape. A little more storage there on the bottom. Take a look at the passenger seat. Passenger seat looks good. Really nice condition all the way through. Very nice shape. Rugs are clean. Dashboard stereo, everything looks amazing. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Looks clean throughout. Very nice condition. Really great shape. Take a look at the rear seat. Second row here. Really nice condition. Rugs are clean, looks really nice. USB plugs here in the center with controls for the AC for the back. Really nice. All right, let's take a look at the third row. Third row's in beautiful shape. Really amazing condition all the way through. It looks beautiful. Really nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful shape. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Very nice, a little bit of storage there on the bottom. Take a look at the second row. Second row looks good. Very nice condition. Rugs are clean. USBs there in the center with AC controls. It's a little path here to walk to the back, or you could put the seat forward. Super nice, look at that. Really nice condition on the third row. Looks amazing. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2022 Chevrolet Traverse all-wheel drive LT package. Key fob for it, really nice, look at that. Lock unlock, remote start and panic, and power hatch. Super nice. So we're gonna set the key down here, the cup holder. I'm gonna press the brake, press the button here. I'm gonna light her up. Super nice, take a look. All the gauges go up and down. That's the way GM, you check the gauges when you turn it on, make sure everything's functioning. All the lights come on and off. No lights stayed on, so that means there's no errors. Okay, so this one's really nice. This one has 47,252 miles. Really nice. This one has the fuel gauge, temperature gauge, RPMs, miles per hour. It's got a really nice information screen there in the center. This has the automatic engine stop. It's a little button here. You could bypass it if you'd like, but this one will turn off at the light with you. It's to save fuel, but AC and everything keeps running like normal. As soon as you let go of the brake pedal, it'll start right up. Okay, so let's check the turning signals. Working perfect. Really nice. Okay. Controls for the front and rear wipers. It's got some radio controls here on this side, and on the other side it has the controls for the stations. Cruise control on the steering wheel. This is for the collision alert in the front. You can set up different distances. Look at that. So let's see it further. It's safer. And then we have here the information center, which you can scan through up there on top. Pretty much tells you the information. Oil life is 99%. What radio station you're on. It shows you navigation if you have navigation on it, which is super nice. It tells you the turn by turn or whatever. Your phone connection and your settings. Super nice. So we'll go ahead and we'll leave it on miles per hour, and it shows you 77 miles till empty, which is really good. Okay, steering wheel's in beautiful condition. Leather wrap steering wheel. Nice feature. Amazing shape. Take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Looks amazing, brand new. Looks really nice. Really outstanding condition. All right, let's take a look at the controls here for the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice. Automatic lights. Super nice there. Controls for the cruise control here on the steering wheel. The information center, speak commands to go ahead and hang up the phone when you're talking on Bluetooth. Dash looks beautiful. Down below here, this is a nice feature here. You set your phone down there, wireless charging. USBs, auxiliary plug, 12 volt plug there, super nice. Automatic transmission, parking brake release. This turn off the automatic engine shut off. There's a lane assist. So this is an all-wheel drive, so you have your 2-wheel drive, your 4-wheel drive, and this is another setting here. I'm guessing that's like a sport or something. All-wheel drive mode, see right here, it just switched on top. As soon as I did that, turn it one more, and this is the off-road mode, see that? So this one's here, off-road, all-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive. Put it back here to 4 and back to 2. So there you go. That's fully functional, no issues at all there. On top here, garage door openers, you can program yourself. The button for OnStar, the controls for the courtesy lights, super nice. You got 2 little reading lights there. Let's take a look at the little vanity mirrors. Super nice condition there. Looks amazing. Let's take a look at the liner real quick. This one has AC vents on the roof. Really nice for the rear passengers. Even the third row passengers have some vents back there. Super nice feature. Take a look on this side. Looks amazing. Really good color. Okay, that's pretty much it. So this one does have climate control, so you have one temperature on the driver, one for the passenger. You can sync them together. Then it also has controls for the rear. This is for the rear AC, so you can control that also. It's really nice, well equipped. Okay, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set to take it for a test drive here. Here we go. Such a nice drive. Super smooth. Very, very smooth. Let's check the brakes here. We're going to make a left. Stops nice. Drives super nice. Super smooth. Okay, only thing to check now would be, we're gonna go ahead and do the backup camera, and we'll be all done with this test drive. Here we go. Let's go ahead and test out the backup camera. Here we go. So we put in reverse. There you go. And it's got this little lines here. When you turn the steering wheel, it shows you which way the vehicle's going to roll back. So that's a nice feature. Look at that. Now this one has the little sensors in the back, let you know when you're going to get close to something, which is super nice. And then it also comes here on the cluster. When it beeps again, you see that right there, it's showing you what you're getting close to. So if it's the center, if it's the side, for the rear passengers, look, for the rear parking sensors. It's really nice. Okay, that pretty much concludes our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine and take a look at those tires. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the power door in the back. You can press the actual remote, which is this one right here, or you can press the button right down here. we're going to go ahead and press the remote. So it has to be unlocked, and you press power hatch twice. There it is. Goes right up, no issues at all. Very nice. Let's take a quick look here. It's got a little power plug here in case you're tailgating or whatever, you charge your phone. Very nice. These seats fold forward. Beautiful option down below. Got a bunch of storage. Below this thing here, you got your spare tire. Really nice. Beautiful condition all the way through. Let's take a look at the power door close here. Press the button. Beautiful. Fully functional. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the driver's side looks amazing. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Very nice. Bridgestone tire. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Look at the tread on there. Looks really good. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. All tires are matching. They're all Bridgestone. Really nice shape. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing condition. Very nice shape. Beautiful condition. Look at that. Really amazing shape. Look at that rim. Not a mark on it. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front passenger side tire. Tire looks amazing. Really nice condition. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Beautiful condition all the way through. Very nice. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2022 Chevrolet Traverse all-wheel drive LT package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Looks amazing. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. Great used auto sales.com. Thanks for watching.